You making boats?
That leaf is going after those leaves.
Yeah, it's like they're having a leaf race.
Yeah. And what about that one?
Whee! There he goes. He's catching up. Look, there's some big ones over there.
Hey, what about those ones?
Yeah.
I can go into my shoe. I'm making boats.
Yeah, you are.
That's why the snow made the water.
Yep, the snow did make the water so that we could play with leaf boats today, huh?
Yeah.
It's nice out, isn't it?
Yeah. It's nice out.
Mhm.
What about that one?
Yeah. Oh, he goes fast. The small ones go faster than the bigger ones, don't they?